Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you Facebook pixel web conversion tracking for all of e-commerce event like view item, add to cart, begin checkout and purchase with the theme independent data layer for Shopify store by using of Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. You can see that in the right side, we have to find out our theme independent data layer. How to create the theme independent data layer for Shopify store? If you do not know yet, I will give the link on the description box. You can check it out how to enable theme independent data layer for your Shopify store. So first thing first, for Facebook web conversion tracking, you have to connect your Facebook pixel with your Shopify store. Now we go to event manager business.facebook.com, and here you can see that I am already created the data source. So now find out the pixel ID from here. So for that I am go to settings options to find out the pixel ID, and you can also say that dataset ID. So copy the ID and back to our Google Tag Manager. I hope you can understand how to create tag trigger variables and also know the GTM. If you do not yet, you can check my YouTube channel. From here you can find out the video how to create tag trigger variables. From here you can understand how to create the GTM container. So I am already copy the dataset from the Facebook event manager. So go to tag, new tag configuration, and find out the Facebook pixel template. By using this template, we have to enable web conversion tracking. So we do not find out here. So we are dig down more. So for that, we are go to the template gallery and just click the search button and type the Facebook. You can see that we have to find out Facebook pixel template. So click it, add to workspace, and finally click the add. So our Facebook pixel template are attached with our tag. Now time to put our pixel ID. So I am directly do not pasting the pixel ID because in future I will also create the more events. So for that I am creating the constant variable for Facebook pixel ID. So I am clicking the plus sign, also click the plus sign, variable configuration, and find out the constant variable. Here you can see that constant and paste the pixel ID which I am copy from the event manager. And here you have to giving the variable name that is Facebook pixel. Save it. And we can see that our Facebook pixel ID adding with our tag. And firstly, you know that we have to create the page view event because our pixel ID, we have to add our website each and every pages. So event name will be the page view and triggering will be the all pages, and giving the tag name that is FB page view. Save it. So we are created the page view event. Now time to create the view item event for Facebook pixel web conversion tracking. So for that, firstly, we have to need to create some variables because we know that for the view item event, Facebook are required some event parameter. Which event parameter? That are content type, content name, content ID, value, currency. Firstly, creates the variable for view item event, and you can say view content event for Facebook web conversion tracking. So if we go to our website, open a product page, that is the view item event, and you can also say the view content event. So right click on your mouse and go to the inspect. Today we are using the theme independent data layer for Shopify store. From here we have to pick the each and every variable parameter from this data layer. So go to console and find out our event. You can also see the view item event. If you expand the data layer option, and you can find out each and every digital marketing platform like Facebook, Google Ads, Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok, all of that. So today our target is we have to set up Facebook pixel web conversion tracking. We are more expanded the Facebook. In the Facebook, you can see that our required parameters are showing here. So from here we have to create the event parameter. First one is content type. Content type will be static. You know that will be the product or product group. So create the second variable, that is content name. So firstly, we have to copy the Facebook and dot and content name. So for that, we are go back to our Google Tag Manager, create the variable. So go to the variable section to create the new variable, that is content name, and new variable, data layer variable. Here we have to paste our event parameter. So back to our website data layer, copy the Facebook here and back to Google Tag Manager, paste it, dot, and content name. So copy the content name and back to the our variable section, giving the variable name that is DLB content name, save it. So you have to again create the second one, that is content ID. So click the data layer variable and back to our theme independent data layer. So Facebook, again the same process, copy the Facebook dot content ID, copy it, paste it, and giving the variable name that is DLB content IDs, save it. Third one is value. So we copy the Facebook again and back to our Google Tag Manager, new variable, variable configuration, data layer variable, paste the Facebook dot, we have to find out the value dot value, copy it and paste here, that is DLB value, save it. And our last one is currency. So variable configuration, data layer variable, again back to the our data layer. So we have to find out the currency here. So Facebook and finally currency. So copy the Facebook here, copy it and paste it here, dot, and finally pick the currency, dot currency. So that is the DLB currency, save it. We are already created all of variables. Now time to create the trigger. So we are create the trigger for view item event. So click the triggers, new trigger, trigger configuration and custom event. So again back to our data layer, copy the event name, that is view item. Here you can see that event is view item. So copy the view item event from here, copy it back to Google Tag Manager and paste it. So we have to giving the trigger name, that is event view item, save it. So we are already created required variables and triggers. Now time to create the tags. So click it, new tag, tag configuration, Facebook pixel, and we are adding our pixel ID. You know that already we are created constant variable for pixel ID. So just we adding it, that is Facebook pixel, and event will be the view content event. And now we have to adding our event parameter. So in the object properties sections, we are able to adding each and every required parameters for view content event. So add property. So our first event parameter is content type, that is the static value. Second one is content name. We are already created this variable. So we are adding the DLB content name. Third one is content ID. So we are adding DLB content ID. Fourth one is value. So now we are adding the value, DLB value. And our last one is currency, DLB currency. So finally we are adding all of event parameter. Now time to adding our trigger, which we are created before. So click the triggering and find out the event view item and then giving the tag name, that is FB view item, save it. So finally click the submit and publish, because we are using the theme independent data layer. So when you are set up the each and every event, then you have submit it, then your tracking will be work. So go to workspace. Basically we are go to the preview option and check out that our event is working or not. But for the independent data layer, event is showing in our Facebook event manager or not. So we are go to our website again and open a product page. If you set up the Facebook pixel helper extension, that will be show you all event and event parameters. We can see that two event, one is Facebook, second one is view content. So if you extended the view content here, you can see that content ID, content name, content type, currency, value, all of event parameters showing in the meta pixel helper. Now we back to our event manager section and check out that our view content event are showing in event manager or not. So back to our event manager. From here, you can see that our view content event are showing in the test event sections, and you can see that value, currency, content ID, and content name. So finally, we are set up Facebook pixel web conversion for view item event by using a theme independent data layer for Shopify store with the help of Google Tag Manager. So in the future, I will show you how to set up add to cart, begin checkout and purchase event for Facebook pixel web conversion tracking by using of theme independent data layer for Shopify store. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.